Hey there viewers, have you ever noticed a sudden body change but shrugged it off? Random body changes can be a sign of an underlying issue. Your body's trying to tell you something and you need to learn to listen. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 body changes that need your attention. Are dry, chapped lips a cause for panic? What about eyebrow loss? Can your nails and feet be indicators of bad health? We'll be talking about all this and more. Number 1. Eyebrow loss. Eyebrows are precious to us. Tweeze them the wrong way and you'll realize how vital they are for your facial symmetry and overall looks. It's even more difficult to decide whether the focal point for Voldemort was an eyebrowless face or a missing nose. From a perfectly arched Kim Kardashian style to Audrey Hepburn's iconic brows, good brows make us feel confident. But just like your scalp, eyebrows also suffer from hair loss. And if that's a daily thing, you've got a problem. If you're losing a few daily strands of eyebrow hair, you don't have to worry. But if you notice excessive hair loss or bald spots on your eyebrows, you might want to consult a doctor immediately. Eyebrow loss is brought on by various reasons. These include malnutrition, skin infection, hormonal changes, or physical trauma. Eyebrow hair loss is also linked to thyroid issues, leprosy, and psoriasis. Stress, anxiety, pregnancy, or conditions like telogen effluvium can send your hormones into a frenzy, causing hair loss in the brows. Number 2. Changes in the shape and color of your nails, nails dystrophy. Your nail health can suggest your overall state. Healthy nails are smooth without any pits or grooves. They're uniform in color without any spots. Any sudden change in the color or structure of nails can be indicative of a severe underlying health problem. Very pale, brittle white nails can be a sign of anemia, malnutrition, or liver disease. Anemia sometimes shows itself in the form of spoon-shaped nails that break off for no apparent reason. Yellow nails can imply a fungal infection and, in rare cases, indicate thyroid or diabetes. Nails can turn yellow due to damaged airways, tuberculosis, and jaundice. While rippled nails show an early stage of psoriasis, cracked or split nails have been linked to the thyroid. Sometimes very brittle and weak nails suggest a lack of vitamins and minerals. Although nails do indicate underlying health problems, sometimes nail biting and improper grooming also lead to nail dystrophy. So better watch out every time your fingernails reach your mouth. Are you enjoying this list so far? Well, the next point will surely surprise you. But before we continue, why not subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you're always up to date. Number 3. Corkscrew hair. Corkscrew-shaped body hair can be indicative of a vitamin C deficiency in the body. The reason behind corkscrew-shaped hair is a defect in the protein structure as the hair grows. This defect is mainly caused by a deficiency of vitamin C. Corkscrew hair is considered one of the hallmark symptoms of vitamin C deficiency, although it is difficult to spot since weak hair tends to break off or fall out before it becomes obvious. An acute deficiency of vitamin C can result in a disease known as scurvy. When you see abnormally bent or coiled body hair accompanied by bleeding around your hair follicles, you might want to reevaluate your diet. Before the 1700s, scurvy was a deadly disease for sailors, but now a boost of vitamin C decreases severe symptoms within a day. With the proper intake of vitamin C and a doctor's prescribed treatment, your hair abnormalities will be cured mostly within a month, with the disease being fully cured within 3. Number 4. Sudden redness of the skin without any apparent reason. Experiencing sudden redness? It could be an indicator of your health woes. Skin redness can be caused by many things, ranging from a normal sunburn to an allergic reaction. Your skin can also become red from a high-intensity workout. Sometimes your body sends extra blood to your skin's surface to fight allergens or irritants while healing. The sudden skin redness can also be an early sign of a few underlying issues like allergic eczema, a drug allergy, or rosacea. Other reasons can be contact dermatitis or chemical burns. Usually, skin reddening alone is not an alarming sign, but if accompanied by irritation, hives, rashes, or pain, you shouldn't take it lightly. Number 5. Dry skin. Struggling with dry skin? Well, before you try to get rid of the issue by slathering on moisturizer, here's something you should know. Dry skin could be a sign of something else that's not right in your body. Healthy skin is a sign of a well-balanced nutritional diet and a sign that your body's getting a healthy supply of minerals and vitamins. However, it is normal to experience skin dryness during cold weather. This type of weather-induced dryness can be fought off with a good skin moisturizer and an increase of your water intake. But even after taking adequate care, if you feel like your skin has become too dry and you're struggling with cracked heels, it could be a sign that something's off. Dry skin can be recognized by small fine lines, cracking, and flaky dry patches. 2 common causes of this can be diabetes or hypothyroidism. These conditions make your skin dry, causing them to crack and become easily infected. Skin that's too rough, dry, and prone to scratching can also be a sign of underlying dermatitis. Dermatitis is a common disease characterized by dry, itchy skin which brings irritation. It can be really uncomfortable. Other ignored reasons behind skin dryness are deficiencies of vitamin A, C, and E. Prolonged deficiencies of these essential vitamins can result in premature skin characterized by wrinkles. Before we continue, we have another video where we discuss the signs that indicate magnesium deficiency in your body. Check it out when you're done. Number 6. White patches on teeth. Those patches we're seeing, they aren't just a sign of poor dental hygiene. Sometimes the reason's purely health-related, and no amount of flossing or brushing will fix them. Not unless you address the cause. A common cause of white patches on teeth is dental fluorosis. This generally occurs during childhood when a high content of fluoride is consumed during the formation of enamel. Mild fluorosis is not harmful, with its only effect being visible white patches on the teeth, but severe fluorosis can lead to tooth decay, enamel discoloration, and eventually loss. Another common cause of white patches on teeth is enamel hypoplasia. This disease also occurs during childhood, while the teeth are still developing. With this disease, the enamel layer of the teeth doesn't form properly, resulting in decay. Other causes of white spots on the teeth include poor dental hygiene and overconsumption of high acidic and sugary foods. So, if you can't find any other cause of white spots on your teeth, maybe looking into your diet will help. While white patches are not a matter of concern, tooth sensitivity should serve as an indicator that you need a doctor. Number 7. Feet deformities. Feet are important. After all, they bear the weight of your entire body. Many times your feet, or maybe one foot, may look deformed due to a disease or certain body posture. It is normal to have slightly deformed feet. However, foot deformities can sometimes be indicative of disorders including splay foot, flat foot, and pronated foot. Other disorders associated with feet include high arched feet, club foot, and a cane foot. Feet deformities may be present from birth. They can also develop later due to accidents, disease, or lifestyle. If action isn't taken, foot deformities can become permanent. Number 8. Hair loss. It's normal to shed about 100 strands of hair a day, but if you notice a larger than normal quantity, you may have a health issue. Common problems behind hair loss are thyroid issues, autoimmune disease, and skin infection. Thyroid disorders can disrupt your hormonal balance, leading to unusual hair fall. Autoimmune disorders can cause bald patches, a type of balding known as alopecia areata. Some scalp infections also cause dandruff issues, leading to hair loss. Deficiencies of biotin and vitamin E have also been linked to this. So the next time you notice hair strands on your pillow, don't just change your shampoo, dig deeper into the issue. Number 9. Dry, cracked lips. Chapped or dry lips are often an unwanted gift from winter. Our lips have no sweat or oil glands, so it is natural for them to be dry during harsh cold weather. But if you have dry, cracked lips all year round, there may be an underlying issue. Sometimes you can get dry lips as a result of an allergy or medication. If your lips are dry and peel off skin flakes, chances are you have an allergy that should be addressed. Painful cracks at the edges of your lips can be due to a lack of vitamin A, B, and E. If you notice lip ulcers or a lumpy texture or unusually dark pink or red lips, you might be suffering from cheilitis. Number 10. Pale lips. Pale lips with bright contours can be indicative of poor health. In case you notice bubbles and swelling on the red contours of your lower lip, you may want to limit your exposure to the sun and use good sunscreen. This could be caused by sensitivity to UV rays. If the middle part of your lip is swollen with small bubbles, it could be due to vegetative neurosis. Anti-inflammatory treatment might help in such cases. Severe swelling of the lips and unusual redness can be caused by an allergic reaction. Did you find this video interesting? Have you noticed any of these signs yourself? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.